How to see who subscribed to your YouTube channel. For that, open any browser of your choice. Right now, let's hop into Chrome browser, and on the web address bar, tap on it, and here you need to enter youtube.com and search for the site. And this page will appear where you have to tap on three dots, which is at the upper right corner. And now tap on desktop site small box and tick mark it. When you get access to this page, you have to tap on profile at the top right corner of the screen and tap on view your channel. After that, you have to select customize channel. Once you get access to this page, on the left side of the screen, as you can see, the profile. So under the profile, there is the dashboard icon. Tap on it. So on the channel dashboard, you can see all the recent subscribers. So this is the way we can easily see who subscribed to our YouTube channel. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.